guys, today's video is all about power fluid flexibility flow. It is great for dancers, aerialists, yogis. It is slightly advanced. Make sure that you are really warm before you try this entire practice. To start with, at least 10 Surya Namaskars or maybe more to make sure you're warm for the next flow which is about to come. You inhale to go into Urdhva Hastasana, chest expansion, forward bend to come into Pada Hastasana. Inhale, take your right leg back. Hold your breath in plank, feet together. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Inhale, you're going to come into a Bhujangasana. Exhale, you're going to come into a mountain. Then inhale, bring the right leg forward. Exhale, feet together. Then inhale, bring your arms next to your ears, reach up, extend, 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 and release. After 10 rounds, you can start getting ready for the next flow. Let's begin, everyone. To start, rolling down with your head. Inhale, exhale, arch to come up. Rolling down, inhale, exhale, arch to come up. Third time, rolling down, then lead from the head to come into a chair. Bring your arms next to your ears, feet are hip width apart, abdomen tucked in. Inhale, exhale, bring your feet together and going into a twist in Namaste. Making sure the abdomen is very active. Twist, twist, twist. Palms are pressing against each other. Inhale again, feet hip apart. And exhale, coming into a chair on the opposite side. Make sure the palms are really pressing against each other. Hold there, then inhale, bring the feet hip width apart. Come into a chair. Coming up, bring the feet together again in chair. Inhale, you're going to come back to Urdhva Hastasana. Expand your chest maximum. Exhale, coming into a full Pada Hastasana. Inhale, come into a flat back with a vacuum in the belly. Press the mat down. Head up, breathe in and breathe out. Coming into a plank. Going into a side plank. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale now. This time grab hold of the big toe and then extend. Make sure the hips are pushing forward. Keep lengthening. Keep the bottom arm very strong. We're going to try the same thing on the opposite. Inhale and exhale down. Inhale up and exhale. Then grab hold of the toe and extend. Keep breathing well. Make sure you're not holding your breath. Then slowly come back down. You're going to go into Ashtanga Pranam. Inhale, then exhale, knees, chest, forehead. Elbows tucked in. Inhale, come into a cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, come down. Adjust your hands forward. Make your legs slightly wider apart. Inhale and exhale, coming into arch back. Inhale, go down. And exhale, coming up into arch back. One last time. Inhale to go down. And exhale to come up and hold it there. Big toes touching. Touch your head. And release. Bring your hands slightly back. Curl the toes. Come into Shashankasana. Stay there for a few breaths. Keep the fingertips alive. Breathe. Then slowly push the pelvis forward. Then leading with the hips, go into a mountain. Stay in the mountain. Keep breathing well inside the mountain. Inhale, take the leg up, right leg up, and exhale, right knee to left elbow. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and come back down. Then same thing with the left side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and down. Lovely work. Keep going. We're going to start moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and take the right leg up this time and take it forward to come into a lunge. Breathe in, both arms up, and breathe out. You're going to try to come into Kondinasana. This is a slightly challenging balance. Keep breathing well as you are there. Keep breathing well. Keep the gaze slightly up. Come back into a lunge. Take both hands slightly forward. Come back into a mountain. Take a few breaths here. Then take the left leg up into the sky. As you exhale, bring it forward to come into a lunge. Arms up as in the lunge as you inhale. Belly tucked in and take the leg inside. Adjust yourself to come into Kondinasana one more time. Keep balancing well. Gaze is slightly up, abdomen very strong. Take your hands forward. Come back into a mountain from there. Take your time, stay there. Raise the right leg, bounce to come into a complete bridge from a jump. Now stay there. Extend both the legs and bring the entire weight onto your shoulders, onto your chest, expanding maximum. Then bring the leg closer to coming to a single leg raise from the Chakrasana. Keep breathing well and down. Same thing on the opposite side. Your right knee comes up and then you extend and slowly come down. Make sure the shoulders are not collapsing on the mat. Slowly come down onto your elbows. Bring your arms in namaste. Expand that chest. Make sure you're breathing very well. Inhale, and as you exhale, take the left leg up into the sky and down. We're going to repeat the same thing on the opposite side. Right leg up and then extend. Keep breathing well, and down. From there, place your head on the mat. Bring both palms up. Come back into a chakrasana. Now I lift my right arm to twist and change the grip of the bottom hand. Walk forward to come back onto the mat. And rolling up, stomach, chest, head, I release my arms all the way up and take them back. Breathe in, breathe out, lead from the chest, come into an Uttanasana, intense forward bend. Keep breathing well, create the vacuum in the abdomen. Relax as you are there. Bring the arms back up, take one step back on your mat. This time you're going to inhale, and as you exhale, take the right leg forward into a lunge. Then you're going to go into a Vishwamitrasana. Take your right hand inside. From there, place your left leg on the mat. Grab hold of the right foot with the left toe, left hand. I know this is challenging. Keep trying and then slowly come back. We're going to try the same thing on the opposite side. First, walk back with your hands, rolling up, stomach, chest, head, arms up. Take your left leg forward, coming into a lunge. From there, take your left hand inside, turn your right foot inwards, bring the weight onto the left tricep, take the left leg up with your right hand, grab the left toes and try to extend. Keep breathing well and slowly come back from there. You're going to go back, feet together, walk forward, creating a full vacuum in the belly. Only elbow rotations a few times. Keep breathing well. Inhale from there, head up and exhale, pull yourself in. Inhale, head up and exhale, pull yourself in. Last one, everyone. Bring your feet together in this one. Keep creating that vacuum in the belly. Weight in the front of the toes. Inhale and then exhale, pull yourself in and keep breathing well. Stay there. Roll up, stomach, chest, head. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated about all the new flows.